Sliding plates and inlays. Some clamping systems require additional sliding plates between the clamp and the base plate of the supports. You can use the properties to add or remove the sliding plates with the value 0 or 1. For galvanic isolation, inlays are very often used, which are inserted into the clip. Thanks to the Inlays feature and the index sheet, you can easily find the right index number and add it to your clip. In this example, inlays made of EPDM are used. The index is entered for the inlay property. The inlays are shown accordingly in the model. See you in the next video.